me just leaving Newcastle at the moment, and wow, that place is cool. I really enjoyed it there. You got a cool beach area there. There's a memorial walk. You can walk up and get a great view of the ocean and the beaches and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, it's really, really nice. Hours to kill before the hostel is back from their lunch. They will reopen at 2 o'clock. So at that point I can go back and I can get a room for the night or 2 nights or whatever. But so I've just arrived in Newcastle, and yeah, I decided to come to the beach to kill some time. And yeah, it's really, really nice here. I'm on this thing called Memorial Walk. It's like a kind of steel bridge, as you can see. And it's yeah, such a beautiful, beautiful looking place. Really nice beach. In a hostel called VIP Backpackers, I think it was, and it's yeah, it was a cool place. Let loads of people there, had a few drinks and shared some stories, and yeah, really good fun. And then went into town on Saturday night. Loads of people knocking about. I put the little kilt on, and yeah, I got loads and loads of attention. It was really, really funny. While you're out in Newcastle, make sure that you bring along some identification with you. As I got excited actually when this guy asked me for ID, and I was just like, whoa, you think I'm under 18 or under 21? Ah, no. They take your ID and get you to stand in front of a camera, and then they take your picture. It's just like, oh, okay. And the hostel there was really, really, really nice. Really clean as well. And the first night I was staying there, I stayed there for 2 nights. And the first night I was staying there, I was sharing with 3 other guys. 2 English guys, 1 French man, and yeah, we all went out, had some drinks. They ended up bailing early. They had work the next day, and so I continued on and had a couple more drinks with some other people that we met out. So it was really good fun. Then the next day, on the Sunday, those 3 guys actually left, and so I got the room to myself. So just to chill, watch a bit of Netflix, read a book, you know. And that's one of the cool things about hostels. It's so laid back that, you know, you can just do what you want. If you want to sit in your dorm room, then you can sit in your dorm room. If you want to sit in a communal area, sit in the communal area. Nobody really cares. But at the same time, when you're there, you know, don't be shy. Speak to some people and, you know, have some fun. People want to get to know you. And so far, the hostels I've stayed in, everyone's been really, really friendly. You know, and if you're a friendly person yourself, then you've got nothing to worry about. I mean, that was one of my major concerns, was just like, oh, you know, am I going to get on with people okay? And, you know, what are they going to be like? Are they going to be friendly? Are they going to be assholes? Are they going to be rowdy or whatever? And I just think you've got to give it a chance. But so far, I find everyone to be really, really cool. It doesn't matter if you're an outgoing person or you're not so much. You know, suck it up, and you know, you're there, you're traveling, you know, you're going to get some really good advice of some other travellers that have been doing it for months and months, maybe even years. Yeah, so make an effort when you're in the hostels to sit down in the communal area and, you know, have a chat with some people and just get yourself like a 6-pack of beer or a bottle of wine or whatever your special tipple is, and just sit there and then just say hello to the closest person to you. Ask them, you know, where they're from, and just have a talk. Otherwise, you're not going to have much fun. You're going to feel probably pretty lonely. You know, push yourself outside of that comfort zone and have a chat. And you won't regret it, I promise you. Anyway, I'm driving down to Sydney today, and I'm going to another hostel. I think it's called Cambridge Hostel or something. But I've got it on Google Maps, and it's just going to take me right there. Oh, here's a pro tip. If you're driving, then on your Google Maps or whatever maps that you're using to get you from one place to the next, apply the option to avoid tolls. I'm looking forward to having a look at Sydney. The Sydney Opera House, I think, is going to be pretty cool. I mean, it's iconic, isn't it? So it's one of these places that while you're in Sydney, you've got to go and see it, you know? And then you can judge for yourself whether or not it was worthwhile. so I'm sure it will be. So it was nice chatting with you guys. You make sure that you keep on watching the videos and you follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram if you want to keep up with what I'm up to. And of course I'll keep uploading content if you keep watching it. So all the best guys, I'll talk to you soon, okay?